Okay, students, good morning. Now today we have to discuss the multiplication of a matrices. Now previous video we have the types of matrices, so many types of matrices, just like is a which one? Yes, you recall that which one? First one is a भूल गए? Okay. First one क्या होता है आपका rectangular matrix, second one is a square matrix, third one is a upper triangular matrix, fourth one is a lower triangular matrix, zero matrix or null matrix. That is so many types of a matrix we have to already discuss about. Now today we have to discuss about the multiplication of a matrix. What is the multiplication of a matrix? You can know that what is the addition of matrix and the subtraction of matrix. So now today we have to discuss about the multiplication of a matrix. That is a very important thing for the matrix. Suppose you have a matrix A, that value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value matrix is B. Its value is 3, 2, minus 1 and 4. So then you can find that the value of AB. You can find that the value of a AB. That the AB means the multiplication of a matrices. How to we solve that? Okay, now we can find that the multiplication of matrices means AB. So how we can find that the AB? AB is equal to, first you can write that the value of A 1, 2, 3, 4. And the value of B is 3, 2, minus 1 and 4. What we find that the value of A and B? There is some rules. That is the first row. Okay, that first row is multiplied by the first column. How? 1 cross 3. 1 is multiplied by 3 plus 2 is multiplied by minus 1. Okay, then that row is also multiplied by the second column. Means first row multiply of first column and first row is multiply of the second column. It means 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. You understand? What we can do? First row is multiplied by the first column and first row is multiplied by the second column. Again, that is the second row. Second row is multiplied of a first column. Means 3 cross 3 plus 4 cross minus 1. Then second row is also multiplied by the second column. Means 3 cross 2, that is a 4 cross 4. Understand? Then what is the 3 1 ja 3, that is a minus 2. Here is also a 2. 8, that is 9. It is minus 4. That's 6 plus 16. Then what is the value is 1, 10, 5, that is a 22. So what is the value of AB matrix is equal to 1, 10, 5 and minus and 22. That is the multiplication of a matrices. Okay students, now the second question, if matrices A is equal to 1, 0, 0 minus 1 and B is equal to 0, 1 and 1, 0, then we have to show that the AB is not equal to BA. AB means that is the multiplication of matrix is not equal to B dot B or A. It means first you can find that the value of AB. AB means you can write the value of A 1, 0, 0, minus 1. That is the value of A. Again, the value of B is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. That is the value of AB. So we can find that the AB means what we can do, first row multiply by the first column means 1 dot 0 plus 0 to 1, then 1 cross 1 plus 0 cross 0. Okay. Then second row is multiplied by the first column means 0 cross 0 plus minus 1 cross minus 1. Then again 0 cross 1 plus minus 1 cross 0. Okay. Then the value of AB is equal to 1 0 0 0. The whole value is 0. 1 1 is 1 and then multiply of a 0. 1 plus 0, its value is 1. 0 dot 0 and 1 minus 1 is multiplied by of the 1. Means 1 minus 1 is multiplied by 1. That is the value of minus 1. Again 1 multiplied by 0, that is 0, that value is also a 0. So then the value of AB is equal to 0, 1, 1, minus 1 and 0. Again we can find, that is the equation 1. Again we can find the value of a BA. That is the value of a AB. According to that question we have to find that the AB. Now we have to find that the BA means you can write the first value of B. The value of B is 0, 1, 1, 0. That is the value of B. Again, the value of A is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, so what we can do? Yeah, first row and first column. 0 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0. Again, that 0 is multiplied by 0 and 1 is multiplied by minus 1. Here is 1 is multiplied by 1, 1 1 ja, 1 cross 1, and 0 multiplied by 0 cross 0. That the second row is multiplied by the first column and second row is multiplied by the second column, means 1 cross 0 plus 0 cross minus 1. That is the value is, that is 0 cross 1 1, 1 cross that whole value is 0, that value is 0, and 1 1 1, that is a minus 1. 1 1 ja 1, and that is value is a 0 and whole value is a 0. That is the value of BA. So now compare that from equation 1 and 2. AB is not equal to BA. How it is not equal to? Because the value of AB is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0 is not equal to, that value is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Okay, that is the law, multiplication law of commutative. Okay, what is the law of commutative rules? AB is not equal to BA, so we can say AB is not equal to BA. That is the property of law of commutative property of matrices. Okay students, now the next question is, if matrices A is equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, then find the value of A square. और इसी को सेकंड फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, if the value of A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, then find the value of A square. Yes, suppose that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, you can find that value. लेकिन कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं, क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं, ऐसे उन्होंने गिवन है आपको A की वैल्यू गिवन है, तो यहाँ पे लिखा है जैसे 1, 4, 9, 16, यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है A स्क्वायर, तो वो क्या करते हैं, कहीं कहीं कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की मिस्टेक हो जाती है, वो A स्क्वायर करते हैं, A स्क्वायर फाइंड करते हैं, 1 का स्क्वायर 1 लेते थे, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 9 का स्क्वायर 81 और 16 का स्क्वायर 256. ये मिस्टेक्स कहीं स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं. तो नाउ रिमेंबर दैट जब आप क्वेश्चन को करें तो इस चीज को ना करें, ध्यान रखिएगा. ये आप लोगों को बहुत अधिक मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. हमने देखा है कि बच्चे गड़बड़ी कर जाते हैं. यदि ये दिया गया तो ए स्क्वायर करना है तो सिंपल ए का स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, मींस ए स्क्वायर निकाल देंगे, 4 कर देंगे और 9 का स्क्वायर यहाँ 81 कर देंगे, 16 का 256. ये आपका प्रोसेस क्या होता है, रॉन्ग है. तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना, अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किए हुआ था. देखिए ए स्क्वायर इट मींस क्रॉस ए, इट मींस फर्स्ट यू कैन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. 1 स्क्वायर मींस को सॉल्व करने पे यही वैल्यू आएगी, क्या वैल्यू आएगी 1, 4, 9 एंड 16, एंड सेकंड वैल्यू इज आल्सो सेम 1, 4, 9 and 16. Okay students, and out because here is given a a square, means you can find the multiplication of a is a 2 times, not in a a square. हमने आपको जो ऊपर बताया उसको नहीं करना. मींस आप क्या करेंगे, a square means a cross a, a का a में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then what we can do, a square means first row and first row and first column. 1 cross 1, 4 cross 9. Yes. Then first row and second column, 1 cross 4 plus 4 cross 16. Then 9 cross second row and first column, 9 cross 1 plus 16 cross 9. Then 9 is multiplied by 4 means 9 cross 4 plus 16 cross 16. That is the value of a square. What is value? That is 1 plus 36. 4 plus 64, 9 plus 144 plus 36 plus 256. Okay students, and it out. So now that value is 37, 68, and that is a 153, and that value is 292. That is the value of a square. So we can find that. Okay students. Now second question is given that if a is equal to 1, the matrix is 1, 2, 4, 1. रीड करने का भी तरीका होता, आप ऐसे नहीं करेंगे 1, 4, 2, 1, नहीं. पहले आप क्या रीड करेंगे रो, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड फर्स्ट रो, फिर सेकंड रो। जैसा क्वेश्चन है इफ a is equal to 1 2 4 1 फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस 2a प्लस 7i। ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स a स्क्वायर मींस अभी आपको बताया कैसे निकालना है। 2a मींस a गिवन है, यू कैन जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ 2 सो यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 2a एंड 7i। Yes, we have to already discuss what is the I. I is called the identity matrix. The value of identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 because here is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So now we have to solve that. Then we can find the value of firstly a square according to their questions. Okay, according to their questions, what is the you can find that firstly a square. A square means a cross a. Okay, the value of a is 1 2 4 1. Here also you can just write down some value, that is a 1 2 and 4 1. Any doubt? Okay, a cross a means what we can do? Multiply, simple multiply. It means first row and first column. 1 cross 1 2 cross 4. First row second column. 1 cross 2 and 2 cross 1. Then second row and first column. 4 cross 1 and 1 cross 4. Then second row and second column. 4 cross 2 into 1 cross 1. Okay, what is the value? 1 plus 8, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1. Okay students? Then value is 9, 4, 8 and 9. That is the value. You can find the value of a square. Then again you can find the value of 2a. 2a means the value of 2 is multiplied by 1 means 2. The value of a is, it is given that 1 2 4 1. You can just do the simply multiplication. That is a 2, that value 4, it is 8, that value is a 2. That is the value of 2a. Again you can find the value of a 7i. Yes, 7 is a multiplier of I, means 7. We can know that the 2 cross 2 matrix and the identity value I value is 1 0 0 1. We have to do the multiply 7 0 0 7. Okay. Now what is the question? You can find the value of a square plus 2a plus 7i. Keeping that value all in that equation, it means a square, the value of a square we have find that what is the value is 9 4 8 9. That is the value of a square. Again you can find the value of 2a. The 2a values, what is the 2a value? Yes, 2 4 8 2. That is the value of 2a. Then last one we have to find the value of 7i. That value is 7, देखिए दिख रहा होगा आपको 7 0 0 7. That is the value of 7i. Okay, first you can write that the a square value, then write the value of 2a plus 7i. That is the addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. So what we can do? First 9 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, then 4 plus 4 plus 0. Then third one is 8 plus 8 plus 0. Then 9 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, we have to calculate it. 9 to the 9, 7 7 9. There is a value is a 18. That value is a 8. Here is also a 16. And that value is also a 18. That is the value of a square plus 2a plus 7i. Yes students, any doubt? Okay, now that question is a complete. We can find the value of a square plus 2a plus 7i. Okay, thanks.